If your Lexus ES Apple CarPlay keeps dropping the connection, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Data shows that 80% of intermittent CarPlay drops are actually caused by simple cable or software issues. Let's diagnose the root cause with a few simple steps. Start by swapping your cable, clearing your Bluetooth profiles, and checking for iOS updates. Most users don't realize that a dirty charging port or a low-quality cable is the primary culprit. If the cable isn't the problem, reset your device's network settings and repair with the Lexus interface. Try these DIY fixes before spending money at the dealership for a diagnostic scan. As this chart shows, the vast majority of these issues are resolved just by changing the cable. If you're still having trouble, test a different iPhone to rule out your device's specific settings. Keep these items handy to maintain a stable connection during your daily commute. Remember, a cable that works sporadically is effectively a broken cable. Follow these steps to get back to a stable connection. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.